Hey out there YouTube, first video of me actually shooting like content of me doing something. A couple of videos before were just one like a race video, and the other was some pictures from just like a car show and a couple of little car meets and stuff. Got a box this morning from Billet Technologies, got my PCV cover and my new catch can. Car previously had a catch can on it, but it was like the, I don't know, like the matte bronze or something. For me, it didn't match, and it definitely didn't match what I'm trying to do as far as the color scheme for the car and stuff. So I got a black, matte black catch can with lime green metallic hose ends. So I'm gonna shoot a little bit of putting that in there. I'm sure there's probably already a dozen or better videos of how the catch can goes on the Scat packs, but they're just shoot my first video of content. I've got some more stuff from Billet Technologies coming. Got some other things planned for the car going forward, putting a drag pack on it, and a couple other things so we can do different races and hopefully get the car back to where it needs to be running, and we'll go from there. So if you would like and subscribe, there's going to be a lot more stuff. I'll be doing the different installs when I get them. I've got some bigger plans for the car going forward, some different upgrades and stuff. So as the car progresses, I'll be shooting video and shooting some other races and car shows and that some of that other kind of stuff. I also have a an S10 pickup truck that's got a small block Chevy, Power Glide 9-inch, and that kind of stuff that I bracket race. So I got some fiberglass parts and stuff that I'll be putting on that during the off season. And I also have a power wagon that I just gotten as my tow vehicle, so we'll be doing some videos for some different things for that too. So like I said, just kind of follow along, keep up, and we'll be doing some cool stuff in the future, and hope you all hit that like and subscribe button, and catch you later. All right, so originally there's a line that runs from here. This kind of turns back a little bit. There's a line that runs from here back to here, and the catch can actually goes in between that. So the it mounts here. So basically you take the bolt and the spacer, they'll mount there, kind of like so. So it'll stand up like so, and basically it's just a regular 3/8 bolt. So it'll go through there. So basically you want to pry that off. It should come out pretty easy from there. So there's that. And then I'm going to try to set this so you can see what I'm doing here without making a huge. You can see a little better. So got there again, the bolt, the spacer. So start the threads. It worked easier. There's more room in that. It works easier if you take the bottom of the can off. So and then 1/2-inch wrench. Tighten her up. You should put anti-seize on there because you're going with a steel bolt into aluminum. I haven't done that yet, but for the video I don't have any. I'm gonna have to go and get some to put on there, but that way you don't have to worry about dissimilar metals and corrosion and basically kind of freezing in place, and that if you have to do something later on, pull it out of there. Oh, there's that. So that's in there. So then next thing, I put the cup on the bottom of it.
not so easy to do one-handed. So then you put the cup on there. It's on there pretty easy once you get it started. And then snug that up. And then for the hoses, so start here. These are hoses that come with it. Put the brass fittings in the end there. And then I've got the lime green metallic ends to kind of match everything else. So that goes there. And then here in the PCV cover inlet, push it in like so. So there's that. Put that cover on that end. And then pop it here. For me, I kind of wanted, I made sure that the letters and stuff were down. I didn't really want the letters so that everybody could see them. And these hoses, they come, you have to cut them to length, obviously, because they send you about, I don't know, maybe 2 foot worth. So then for here, just like so, make sure that it's on there good. And then the end goes on there. I have to fight with this one a little bit. Get that in there like so. And then push her in. I'll set the, there it is. Give me just a sec. So there you have it. The installation of a Billet Technologies oil catch can on a Challenger Scat Pack. Do the same thing pretty much for any of them, as long as it's Mopar. Oh, go ahead, if you like the content, please like, subscribe. This is just the first of many. We'll be doing a whole bunch of other videos